Ready, steady, spaghetti. Hello, I'm Julie from Sounds Like This for Kids. Today I'm going to be singing you a story, Incy, Wincy, Spider. And this version is by Keith Chapman and Jack Tickle. Incy, Wincy, Spider, playing on the farm, spinning silver silkworms high up in the barn. From an open window, a gust of wind blows. And Incy, Wincy, Spider, with a whoosh, goes to woo. Incy, Wincy, Spider is flying, there he goes. He drifts onto a pig, and dangles from its nose. Grunts the pig, with Incy climbing up his snout. And Incy, Wincy, Spider is catapulted out. Woo! Incy, Wincy, Spider, he doesn't think it's very funny. He's tangled on a grey goat that calls out for his mummy. Bleats the goat and shakes from side to side. And Incy, Wincy, Spider begins another ride. Woo! Incy, Wincy, Spider, can you see him now? He's fluttered onto Buttercup, the black and white young cow. Moo, says Buttercup, and flicks her long white ears. And Incy, Wincy, Spider spins off and disappears. Woo! Incy, Wincy, Spider is gliding through the air. He hangs onto a duck's beak and tickles under there. Quack! Honks the yellow duck and gives a great big sneeze. And Incy, Wincy, Spider floats up in the breeze. Woo! Incy, Wincy, Spider, what a dizzy day. He settled on a brown horse, chewing clumps of hay. Neigh! Snorts the horse and jumps up really high. Whoop! And Incy, Wincy, Spider pings off through the sky. Incy, Wincy, Spider zooms past something red. He shoots out lines of silkworm and sticks to Cockerel's head. The red and green cockerel crows cock-a-doodle-doo. Ah! But Incy, Wincy, Spider, where on earth are you? Woo, 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 woo. Incy, Wincy, Spider, what's he stuck on now? A goat, a horse, a cockerel, a pig, a duck, or a cow? No, he bounces with a boing. Hooray, it's Mummy's web. And Incy, Wincy, Spider is safely home to bed. Oh, good night. At Sounds Like This, we absolutely love singing all of our stories. If you've got a bookshelf full of stories at home, I highly recommend you sing some too. See you next time.